Delaware Motorcycle Fines Limits Test.
Question 1. If a sponsor withdraws his or her agreement to be held jointly responsible for a minor's permit, the minor's driving privileges will be
cancelled, put into effect regardless, suspended. None of these answers are correct.
Answer:
Cancelled.
Question 2. Which of the following convictions will add 6 points to a Delaware driving record?
Operation of a vehicle causing death, reckless driving, aggressive driving. All of these answers are correct.
Answer:
All of these answers are correct.
Question 3. When does a Delaware driver's license expire?
July 1st, January 1st. The driver's date of birth, the anniversary of the date the license was obtained.
Answer:
The driver's date of birth.
Question 4. If a Delaware driver has his or her license suspended because of point accrual, what other penalty will he or she incur?
Must complete a driver training course. A fine. Must be supervised when operating a vehicle. All of these answers are correct.
Answer:
Must complete a driver training course.
Question 5. The accumulation of how many points within 24 months constitutes license suspension for 1 year?
22, 18, 20, 16.
Answer:
22.
Question 6. The first level of the Delaware Graduated Driver's License Program is a learner's permit. At what age may a Delaware resident apply for a learner's permit?
18, 15, 14, 16.
Answer:
16.
Question 7. Delaware uses a system to keep track of drivers' violations.
Strike, tally, violation, point.
Answer:
Point.
Question 8. How long is a Delaware driver's license valid?
10 years. Lifetime. 5 years. 2 years.
Answer:
5 years.
Question 9. A Delaware driver who is days in arrears or owes more than in court-ordered child support will have his or her driver's license suspended.
$31,000. $6,500. $35,000. $62,000.
Answer:
$31,000.
Question 10. After accumulating 12 points within 2 years, a Delaware driver will be required to complete a behavior modification, attitudinal training course within days.
60, 30, 90, 10.
Answer.
90.
Question 11. What will happen as a result of a driver accumulating 8 points within 2 years?
He or she will be imprisoned for 30 days. He or she will be required to pay a fine. He or she will receive a warning letter from the DMV. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
He or she will receive a warning letter from the DMV.
Question 12. Which of the following convictions could result in the suspension of a Delaware driver's license?
Reckless driving. Speed racing. Driving a vehicle without the owner's permission. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 13. If convicted of speeding miles per hour over the posted speed limit, a Delaware driver may opt to complete the behavioral modification, attitudinal driving course in lieu of license suspension.
25-29. 24-28. 26-29. 30-35.
Answer.
25-29.
Question 14. If a Delaware driver satisfactorily completes an approved offensive driving course, points will be credited to his or her driving record.
1, 2, 4, 3.
Answer.
3.
Question 15. Which of the following traffic violations will increase a Delaware driver's tally for license revocation?
DUI. Driving without a valid license. Vehicular manslaughter. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 16. After accumulating 14 points, a Delaware driver's license will be suspended for
6 months. 4 months. 30 days. 2 months.
Answer.
4 months.
Question 17. What is the additional fee charged by the state of Delaware to renew an expired driver's license?
$6.55. $2.15. $5.55. $1.15.
Answer.
$1.15.
Question 18. What is the fee to reinstate the revoked Delaware license?
$235.75. $55.50. $101.25. $143.75.
Answer.
$143.75.
Question 19. If a Delaware high school student's driver's license is suspended because of expulsion from school, he or she may apply for an occupational driver's license that will allow him or her to
drive with a parent or guardian in the vehicle, drive siblings to and from school, Drive to and from a job. Drive during daylight hours.
Answer.
Drive to and from a job.
Question 20. How many points will be added to a Delaware driving record if a driver is convicted of driving 10 to 14 miles per hour over the posted speed limit?
6, 4, 5, 7.
Answer.
4.
Question 21. A Delaware driving record includes traffic convictions that take place in
only outside of the state of Delaware. Any state. New England states only. Delaware only.
Answer.
Any state.
Question 22. If a Delaware driver is convicted of running a stop sign, how many points will be added to his or her driving record?
2, 1, 4, 3.
Answer.
3.
Question 23. Passing a stopped school bus is a serious traffic infraction. How many points will be added to a Delaware driving record upon this conviction?
3, 5, 6, 4.
Answer.
6.
Question 24. How long do points remain on a Delaware driving record?
5 years. 15 years. 2 years. 10 years.
Answer.
2 years.
Question 25. How many points does a Delaware driver have to accumulate before his or her license is suspended for a period of 6 months?
14, 16, 20, 18.
Answer.
16.
Question 26. Delaware drivers who hold a learner's permit must have a supervising driver who
is seated in the passenger seat, is 25 years of age or older, has held a Class D Delaware license for at least 5 years. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 27. If a Delaware driver is convicted of his or her first speeding violation, 1 to 14 miles per hour over the posted limit, within a year period, points will not be added to his or her record.
1, 3, 2, 4.
Answer.
3.
Question 28. If a Delaware driver is convicted of speeding in excess of 50 miles per hour over the posted speed limit or at a speed at or above 100 miles per hour, his or her license will be suspended for a period of
7 years, 5 years, 2 years, 1 year.
Answer.
1 year.
Question 29. If a Delaware driver is convicted of aggressive driving, how many points will be added to his or her driving record?
6, 7, 4, 5.
Answer.
6.
Question 30. What is the driver's license suspension reinstatement fee in the state of Delaware?
$100, $10, $25, $50.
Answer.
$25.
Question 31. Speeding 1 to 9 miles per hour over the posted speed limit will result in points being added to a Delaware driving record.
2, 1, 4, 3.
Answer.
2.
Question 32. Delaware driver's license or learner's permit applicants under the age of must obtain a consent form signed by a parent or legal guardian.
16, 15, 18, 17.
Answer.
18.
Question 33. A Delaware driver deemed a habitual offender may have his or her driver's license revoked for up to years.
4, 7, 5, 2.
Answer.
5.
Question 34. New residents in the state of Delaware must obtain a Delaware driver's license within days of moving.
90, 40, 60, 30.
Answer.
60.
Question 35. Can a Delaware driver's license be suspended or revoked for violations committed outside of the state?
If the driver has held a Delaware license for less than 5 years. If the driver is under the age of 21. No. If the violations are grounds for revocation or suspension INDA.
Answer.
If the violations are grounds for revocation or suspension INDA.
Question 36. If a Delaware high school student is expelled from school, the student's driver's license will be suspended at least
until the expulsion is over, for a period of 2 years, until the student's 19th birthday. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
Until the expulsion is over.
Question 37. Convictions of any type of traffic violation within years will result in habitual offender status for a Delaware driver.
8, 3, 5, 2. 25, 10, 3.
Answer.
10, 3.
Question 38. What is the penalty for a speeding violation that results from driving over 20 miles per hour over the posted speed limit in Delaware?
5 points added to driving record. 3 points added to driving record. 5 points added to driving record and possible loss of driving privileges. 8 points added to driving record and fine.
Answer.
5 points added to driving record and possible loss of driving privileges.
Question 39. If a Delaware driver is convicted of driving with a suspended or revoked license, the suspension or revocation period will be up to 1 year.
Doubled. Tripled. Multiplied tenfold. Quadrupled.
Answer.
Doubled.
Question 40. After. On a Delaware driving record, points will decrease in value by half.
12 months. 2 years. 3 months. 4 years.
Answer.
12 months.
Question 41. Why will a Delaware driver's license be suspended or revoked?
A driver doesn't drive for 2 or more years. A driver has a fender bender. A driver sells his or her vehicle. A driver violates Delaware's traffic laws.
Answer.
A driver violates Delaware's traffic laws.
Question 42. Driver's license suspension for 1 month will occur when a Delaware driver is convicted of speeding in excess of miles per hour over the posted speed limit.
30. 25. 40. 10.
Answer.
25.
Question 43. What is the uninsured motorist fee in the state of Delaware?
$25. $75. $50. $100.
Answer.
$100.
Question 44. Which of the following will result in the mandatory revocation of a Delaware driver's license?
A hit-and-run conviction. Attempting to flee law enforcement. DUI convictions. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 45. The sponsor of underage application for a Delaware learner's permit is held jointly responsible for the young driver along with
the driver's school, the state of the driver, the driver's insurance company.
Answer.
The driver.
Question 46. Or more convictions of serious traffic violations within a 5-year period will result in habitual offender status and revocation of a Delaware driver's license.
2. 4. 3. 1.
Answer.
3.
Question 47. What Delaware program is designed to reduce the high fatality and accident rates of teenage drivers?
The Graduated Driver's License Program. The Teen Driver Program. The Learning Driver License Program. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
The Graduated Driver's License Program.
Question 48. Applicants for a Delaware learner's permit must have
a blue certificate, their own vehicle, A personal driving instructor. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
A blue certificate.
Question 49. What is the driver education certificate called in the state of Delaware?
Yellow certificate. Red certificate. Blue certificate. Green certificate.
Answer.
Blue certificate.
Question 50. What is the goal of Delaware's Driver Improvement Problem Driver Program?
To impose fines on bad drivers. To prevent crashes. To restrict young drivers. To impose fines on wealthy drivers.
Answer.
To prevent crashes. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.